What's up guys, welcome to How Much YouTube channel. Today I'm going to review the Bitforge Nano Ghost Edition. This is a Bitcoin miner for your home, easy setup, doesn't take a lot of power, comes with everything included. It's designed in the UK by my friend Duncan. We're going to unbox it, show you what's inside, show you how to set it up, and show you how much money it can make you. In the box is beautiful guys, it's really easy to open right here. We got the Bitforge Nano itself, that is the box. It's made out of aluminum all around. I really like that. In the front, there is a glass screen, which you can see Satoshi Nakamoto figure inside, sitting there in front of his laptop. In the back, it shows you some information about the manufacturing. It can do up to 2.6 terahashes of mining power. It takes up to 40 watts of power. The efficiency is 15 kilojoules per terahash. There's also little rubber pieces on the back right there that lets you kind of like put it nicely somewhere. In the box you see here, there is the remote, and there's a little plastic piece I'm going to remove from the bottom. That will be the battery protector. This remote is actually custom made. As you can see here, there's a Bitcoin button on it. You can control the lights, but there's also custom buttons here, and you can even change maybe the hash rate right on the remote. So it's a very smart remote that is specifically designed for Bitcoin mining equipment. Manual over here, that's in different languages to show you how to set it up. You take out the next box, that will be your power supply. So now I'm going to plug it in and we're going to do the setup together. Here is the unit turned on. It's very quiet. You can see the Satoshi Nakamoto in there. Here is the remote. I'm going to show you guys how I change colors. Very simple. I'll just point, and I can also turn off if I don't want anything. It remembers your last color. Here it is. I'm going to Nano and we're going to start the setup together. This is how it looks like when it pops up. Hostname, you can leave it. SSID, you can hit the search and find your home Wi-Fi, and then here it is. I found mine and I'm going to put the password in, and then that's the final step for the setup. They also mentioned to restart the device after you save it. After we're done with the setup, we can go back to the same Wi-Fi network. Here it is. So the IP address is Bitforge Nano is 192.168.0.212. Yours might be different, so I simply gonna take all this out and change it to my Bitcoin address. And we can also change the pool if you like, or if you want to stay at CK pool, it's up to you. But I'm gonna show you guys the pool I prefer is Bitcoin merch, and the IP is the same, 3333. That's it. You can also have a fallback one, that's a backup one. You hit save, and I must restart the device in order for it to run. So I'm gonna go ahead and restart the device. I did my calculation, and if you run it in a pool, you can get $27 a year if you mine this and get fractions, a small amount every day. But if you mine it for solo mining, you're trying to hit your whole block, is about 1 to 8,000 to 9,000 chances in a year for you to get a block of 3 Bitcoin. I personally like to try to get the block because it's a lot more meaningful for me, and then the $27 is not a big deal. But if you prefer to get a small amount, it's up to you. This device can do both. I did not calculate the power it takes, so you have to calculate that. It's also another, 30, 40 watts or so. This is something you have to check how much you pay for electricity, but it's not much power at all, just like a few light bulbs. You can find this from bitcoinmerch.com. The link is down below. We ship it to you directly from Los Angeles with the longest warranty in the industry. We've been doing this the longest. We're here to help you get into the Bitcoin mining. So if you have any questions, leave a comment below. What do you think about the Bitforge Nano Ghost Edition? I actually love it. I think it's really cool, really well built. It looks beautiful, it's not too loud, and it's just something you can have and mine some Bitcoin. It has 2 chips, so it's kind of like I'm running 2 BDAXs gammas at the same time. Thank you so much for watching this video. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.